in the wake of Meghalaya becoming a COVID-19 state free. The Chief Minister, Mr. Conrad K. Sangma, has on Tuesday cautioned and advised that it is crucial, critical and imperative for the state's administration and health department to be mentally prepared, as anything can have an instant setback, as inter-district and interstate traversing has now been permitted due to the returning movement of Meghalaya residents from other parts of the country. Declared as COVID-19 free does not ascertain that the state is complete safe from the pandemic. Stringent protocols is to be thoroughly followed. The Chief Minister reiterated that the government is strictly monitoring the situation. The general public and every resident of the state should be wary, aware and comprehend that anything can occur, which is why multiple rigorous testing are being carried out on returnees from other parts of the country. And all vital information of the returned residents has been taken to ensure that they are following protocols to the letter.
I think I have been very clear from day one that now that movement of our own people is taking place from all states, I think we should be prepared mentally and from administration point of view and from health point of view. Society needs to be prepared that anything can happen. I have been maintaining that even yesterday, though officially we became a COVID-free state, but I don't think that's something to really sit down and say that, well, you know, everything is over. Absolutely not. And now with the movement happening, we can expect that anything can happen. So I think this is no time to, as I said, you know, be complacent. And we're very much aware of it, and we are very concerned. And that is the reason why we are continuously monitoring the situation. And testings are going to take place at multiple levels, multiple times. As I said, the testing is really going to be the key to ensure proper quarantine will be key to ensure that this thing does not go beyond a level where we'll not be able to control things. So therefore I think it's very fair and very practical to expect that things could happen, and I don't think we should be surprised by it, and we should be mentally prepared for any kind of situation. The entire process for the people who will be coming in from Bangalore, and not only that, we also went through the details of all the other states where our people are still stranded, and including places like Delhi, Maharashtra, West Bengal, and since it's a massive operation, so therefore a lot of coordination needs to be done between the states. So we are working on all of that and trying to ensure that we can quickly act on Maharashtra and Delhi and West Bengal, which are the three largest. Then we have other smaller groups in different states, and they are scattered all over the place. So we're also trying to see how best we could combine with other states so that the numbers can be brought up to a practical amount and number so that we can organize trains. So all these efforts are on, so we have to take a review on all of that. So we discussed all of those details. Bangalore train is left. One more train from Gurgaon will be leaving very soon. We are hopeful that Kerala and Maharashtra also will be sorted out very soon. So these are the places that we are working on. At the same time, we also discussed about the fact that there's a cyclone also coming in. So how that could affect the operations, and we had discussions with the deputy commissioners also, and asked them to be sure that they take all the precautionary measures because the Bangalore group will be coming in around that time, and so therefore the administration's efforts need to be balanced out so that we're able to take care of the effect of the cyclone, if any, at the same time ensure that the operations of bringing enough people, testing them properly, properly, as I said, all the protocols. So all those things were also discussed in the meeting. Yeah, it's not something that there'll be a final, as I said, a protocol made on this. Everything will be decided and acted as per the situation. And so whatever the situation demands and the particular location demands, we will accordingly take the decision. We, meaning we have given the liberty to the deputy commissioners and to the local officials and to the local locality leadership on what kind of options they can go for. So therefore this is an option which is going to definitely help, and the options will be utilized as per the situation.